Hello guys, welcome to the channel, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to teach you how to do a rainbow without a prism at home. Very simple experiment, very easy to do. Now I'll show you the main stuff needed to do this. Let's see. So guys, the main stuff you need is, first of all, you need a variety of glasses. So three is minimum. You need at least three. You can use it up to like 4 or 5 for better variety. Like, see, now I have a normal small glass, and then a jar, different size and different shape, and then a different size glass. So what happens is it just gives more time for the light to get refract, more variety for the light to get refracted, so the colors are more visible, just like a prism. So yeah, and you need to fill this with water. Make sure you fill with same levels of water around here, so that there's a specific way through which the light can pass through. And apart from these, you need a white cloth or a bed sheet, white bed sheet. White A4 size sheet won't be that good, because the light will get refracted in a wider angle, so you need more area to cover. So a bed sheet or a white cloth is absolutely fine. And another thing you need is a flashlight, obviously, or you can just do it through a place where the sunrise is coming, but flashlight is fine. The other thing is, you need some kind of box. This is just for a stand. Like, just put the white bed sheet over here, just like a stand. You can use anything, in fact, does not really matter. So yeah, let's see how it works, how it does. So yeah, first let's fill up this with water. Let's see how it works actually. So guys, as you can see, I filled this with water. I filled all of these with water. Yeah, pretty much the same height. And now what I'm gonna do is take my big box or my stand. You can use anything. Whoa, there you go. Now I'm just gonna this thing. So let's lay it and I'll meet you then. So guys, yeah, just laid out my bed sheet over here. It's done. Make sure you don't fall the glass though. And here's my phone. I'm just gonna turn on the flashlight now. Let's see how it works now. Yeah, so guys, let's go. Make sure you just hold your finger somewhat like this, so there's just a ray passing through, not everything. If you have a card box, just make a cut in it and just place the phone like this, so that there's just a ray going on, not scattering all the way. So yeah, just do this and let's see how it works. Yeah, can you see there? Yeah, right there. See, that's a rainbow. That's pretty good. Just make sure you try different angles so that you get the perfect area. You can just see there's a lot of blue, yellow going on. Yeah, you can just see at the right side over there. Just keep trying until you get the perfect refraction or the perfect rainbow. It will come though. Let's see it in dark mode. Let me just turn off the light and let's see how it works. There you go, we're in dark mode. Just turned off the lights. Now let's see what happens. Let me get my ray correct first. Yeah. Yeah. See, there's a lot of blue color over this side. Let me just work out the angles. See? You see it there? That's a bit of rainbow. Can you see that? So many colors over there. Just see that. There's violet, there's yellow, there's green. Just keeps on moving if you just change the angles. Not much here, but let me just change the angle towards this side again. Yeah, I can just see there. That is a rainbow. You can just actually make a better rainbow. Like, just work out the angles. If you have more glasses, use it. It's 5 or 4 will be really good. You'll get more refracted. Sorry for distracted. And be really good to watch. Let's see what happens now. Oh. Let me add another glass, I guess. Oh wow. Oh. See that. That is a perfect rainbow. Oh, at last got that rainbow. It's pretty easy, but just make sure you get the correct angles. Now just see that rainbow. It's just good, right? Yeah. So you can just see here, flashlight, light is getting refracted again, refracted again. Just changing the angle, so it's just getting refracted by 2 of these, I guess. Got this. See? That is a pretty good rainbow. Yeah, I just worked out by make sure you work out your angles. Angles are the main here actually. You get the correct angles. Yeah, I can just see it right here. Yeah, this is more specific, more detailed. See, that is a rainbow too. So yeah, that's how you do rainbow, guys, without a. So guys, that is how you do a rainbow without a prism. Make sure you use 4 glasses. That would be better. So yeah, that's it for now. If you want the explanation, make sure like or comment, so that I'll make sure I'll do the explanation in the next video. Make sure you subscribe down there and hit the bell icon also. So guys, make sure like, share and subscribe. See you next time. Peace.